Feel the excitement in the air after last night's big win. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you this Kansas City market update for January 2022 as the city celebrates the Chiefs continuing their playoffs towards the Super Bowl. So our number one question as we begin this new year is, when is the market going to shift? Now, experts will agree that the housing market will continue to favor sellers for some time, with a slower growth in home prices and a decelerating inflation. The question is when, and not everyone agrees with that. Between the supply and demand for homes as well as the supply chain for new homes, projections are agreeing that this is going to take a while to really balance out. Now, when we look at Kansas City year to date for 2020 to 21, we see a Kansas City 3.8% increase in the number of homes sold and 12.1% increase in the price for those homes. We still see a negative for the number of homes for sale. For example, December of 2020 had a 1.3 month inventory of homes, where December of 2021 had only a 0.8 month of supply for those homes for buyers to pick from. When we look at Johnson County and Jackson County, we're seeing consistent percentages as well. If you have questions on how your neighborhood values are, as well as the supply and demand for homes in your area, we'd be happy to talk that through with you to see if this is the right market to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. Cheers to a new year.